Propagating the green legacy, techniques for plant multiplication. Plants, despite their apparent stillness, possess a remarkable ability to reproduce. Plant propagation refers to the deliberate multiplication of new plants from existing ones. This can be achieved through two main methods: sexual propagation, using seeds, and asexual propagation, using vegetative plant parts. Sexual propagation, the legacy lives on. Sexual propagation, the natural way plants reproduce, involves the union of male and female gametes to create seeds. Here's a breakdown of the process. Pollen grains containing male gametes sperm are transferred from the stamen, male flower part, to the stigma, female flower part. This can happen through wind, insects, or other animals. Fertilization. Pollen grains germinate on the stigma, sending a pollen tube down the style, stalk connecting stigma to ovary, to reach the ovule egg cell in the ovary. Fertilization occurs when the sperm fuses with the egg. Seed development. The fertilized ovule develops into a seed containing an embryo, future plant, surrounded by a protective seed coat and a food source, endosperm. Germination. Under favorable conditions, moisture, warmth, the seed coat breaks open and the embryo emerges, using the stored food for initial growth. Asexual propagation, cloning champions. Asexual propagation, also known as vegetative propagation, bypasses the need for seeds and creates new plants that are genetically identical to the parent plant. This method is particularly useful for preserving desired traits. Plants with specific flower colors, fruit characteristics, or resistance to disease can be reliably reproduced. Propagating difficult-to-seed plants. Some plants rarely produce viable seeds, making asexual propagation the only option. Faster results. Asexually propagated plants often mature quicker than those grown from seeds. Here are some common techniques for asexual propagation. Cuttings. Stem, leaf, or root cuttings are taken from a parent plant and encouraged to develop roots in a suitable medium, water, soil, or rooting mix. Division. Plants with multiple crowns or clumps can be physically divided into separate sections, each becoming a new plant. Layering. A stem is encouraged to root while still attached to the parent plant. Once roots form, the rooted portion can be severed and be